सुनवल नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखाको सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी तथा अभिभावक ज्यूहरूलाई अनुरोध।
विश्वव्यापी महामारी कोभिड-19 को कारण सम्पूर्ण विद्यालय र अन्य क्षेत्रमा बन्दाबन्दी भई लामो समयसम्म बालबालिकाको पठन पाठन ठप्प रहेको अवस्थामा बालबालिकाको सिकाइलाई निरन्तरता दिन सुनवल नगरपालिका र रेडियो सन्देश 89.8 मेगाहर्ज तथा रेडियो सुनवल 90.7 मेगाहर्ज को संयुक्त सहकार्यमा यही असार 4 गते बिहिबारबाट सुनवल पाठशाला कार्यक्रम निम्न तालिका बमोजिम एफएम कक्षा सञ्चालन भइरहेको हुनाले सम्पूर्ण अभिभावक ज्यूहरूलाई आफ्ना बालबालिकाहरूलाई उक्त समयमा सहभागी गराइदिन हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछौं।
रेडियो सुनवलमा पढाइ हुने समय कक्षा 3 को बिहान 9:30 देखि 10 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 4 को बिहान 10:05 देखि 10:40 सम्म, कक्षा 5 को बिहान 11:05 देखि 11:45 सम्म, कक्षा 6 को मध्याह्न 12:10 देखि 12:55 सम्म र कक्षा 1 को दिउँसो 1:10 देखि 1:40 सम्म।
त्यस्तै रेडियो सन्देशमा कक्षा सञ्चालन हुने समय कक्षा 2 को बिहान 9:15 देखि 9:30 सम्म, कक्षा 10 को दिउँसो 2:10 देखि 2:55 सम्म, कक्षा 9 को दिउँसो 3:10 देखि 4 बजेसम्म, कक्षा 8 को दिउँसो 4:10 देखि 5 बजेसम्म र कक्षा 7 को साँझ 5:10 देखि 6 बजेसम्म।
अनुरोधक सुनवल नगरपालिका शिक्षा शाखा।
Good afternoon, everyone. Everyone calls me Puran Gurung from Jyoti Asnaya. Welcome to Sunol Pathshala program, Zoom online class. It was already done. Now we are through Radio Sandesh 8 MHz. Bhumai Nalprasi. It is organized by Sunol municipality today. See the condition. See the condition. The condition is this. Let's listen to the music.
भन्नु पर्याछ मुटु माथि ढुङ्गा राखी हाँस्नु पर्याछ आँखा छोपी नरो भने भन्नु पर्या छ मुटुमाथि ढुङ्गा राखी हाँस्नु पर्या छ भोलि उठी कहाँ जाने केही थाहा छैन फर्की आउने हो कि होइन केही थाहा छैन भोलि उठी कहाँ जाने केही थाहा छैन फर्की आउने हो कि होइन केही थाहा छैन बाचा छिटै आउँछु भने गर्नु पर्या छ मुटुमाथि ढुङ्गा राखी हाँस्नु पर्या छ
Okay, dear students, we are in such condition. You have already watched the pictures, the baby crying, even the young and mature people are feeling depressed, unhappy. They are in gloomy mood, what to do, what not to do, where to go, whom to talk. Due to lockdown, we have such problems. There is so many problems. See, our class has been closed. See, our class has been closed for so many days. Today is 100th day. It started since Chaitra 11 to today. Now, we couldn't go to school. Coronavirus has hit the world badly. More than 90 lakh people are suffering from coronavirus. Nearly 5 lakh people have died. And Nepal has more than 13,000 patients suffering from coronavirus. And 29 people have died. Such condition we are going through. Now, what to do, what not to do, we don't get no idea. We don't have any idea. That's why what to do now, how to solve the problem now. Here are some clues. See, your attention is how to continue study, how to utilize the time. This is your current problem. For that, see, I have prepared some solutions, suggestions, advice. I am trying to persuade you. You should join the Zoom online class. See, for that, more listening to the radio could be an interesting way. I am presenting this through Radio Sandesh 89.8 megahertz, which is in Sunol 12 Bhumai Nalprasi. You can log on in the website. You can hear this radio through Hamro Patro, and from its own official page, Facebook page, you can see, you can watch, you can listen. Then from that also you can be benefited. Then why don't you watch TV school programs? There are so many programs on the television, and you can watch that. Talking to the teachers could be effective. See, you might have been connected through Facebook, email, Viber with your teachers. Talk to teachers, make video calls or the audio calls. In this way, you can be benefited. You ought to connect in class-wise group chat. We have so many groups, class 10 groups, class 9 group, class 8 group, and so many groups are formatted by the teachers. So, connect with them and have the group chat, GC, there. Then put your questions there. The teachers are available either offline or online. They will assist you. Then, why don't you search education related sites? See, CDC. From there you can get the informations. From MOE, EduSanjal, Education Sansar, so many sites are there. From those sites you can continue your study. Then you can utilize the time. you had better watch live radio program. See, now through Facebook, Radio Sandesh from Bhumai, you can see here from this radio, I am providing this live program. This station manager sir has been supporting me. Dagal sir has been supporting me to present this live program. Our technician brother is also kindly helping us. See, here so many ideas are there. Or how about learning household works? Your parents, your father and mother and brothers, so many family members are working hard from early rise to late to bed at night. Help them, assist them, learn to be practical. In this way you can utilize your time. If I were you, I would walk in the field with parents, with asare songs. असरे मासको दबदबे हिलो छुनमा घिन लायो पातली नानीलाई फरिया किन्दा छबिसरिन लायो like singing such beautiful our asari songs, typical cultural songs. You can plant the paddy on the field, you can walk there. In this way you can utilize your time. Now are you happy? I think you got some ideas. Now you became like this. See, this is nut. See, now you are happy because you got the suggestion, you got the ideas. So I think you are happy. Now you are feeling hooray. See, ideas. You should join online class. Listening to the radio could be in interesting way. Why don't you watch TV school programs? Talking to teachers could be effective. You ought to connect in class-wise group chat. Why don't you search education-related sites? You had better watch TV and radio programs. How about learning household works? If I were you, I would work in the field with parents. Now, hooray! You are happy. Yeah. You got the solution, you got the ideas. That's why you are happy. Okay, other things. See, some more advice. Using English dictionary is another effective way. See, using English dictionary is another effective way. You had better buy an English dictionary and use it so that you can improve your English. How about talking to the foreign tourists? If there are tourists locked inside the hotels, see, talk to them. If I were you, I would talk to the teachers. Wouldn't it be better if you watch English dramas through YouTube or television or somewhere else? See, in this way, you can improve your English, you can continue your study, then you can utilize the language, the time. See, here today our discussion main topic is how to improve English language. How to improve your English language. Nima is in London now, UK now, Chester, UK now. Her brother is in Nepal. Lakpa is in Nepal. She is writing a letter to her brother to solve how to improve the English language, which is lingua franca in these days. Now, why English is so popular? International language. That's why it is popular. It's business language. It is easy to get the job. Feel proud to speak. Has to deal with software. So, people love it. Now, read the letter. Read the letter to Lakpa by his sister Nima and find out the advice and suggestions she has given to him. See here, Nima lives in UK. In the UK, she has written the letter to her brother Lakpa, and she has written so many advices, so many suggestions how to improve English language. So read the letter. Let's read together the letter. Then find out. You have to find out what are the suggestions. There are so many different styles of suggestion and advices. Like you should, how about, why don't you, you'd better, you ought to, and so many ideas, different ideas are given. Then you have to complete that. Let's see here. Let's come with me. Now see, this is Nima's letter. Nima's letter to her brother. Now the River Dee field here, Chester, UK. This is Nima's address, current address in the UK. Nima lives in the UK. She lives in the River Dee field, Chester, UK. This is the name of the place, like Bhumai, Sunawal, Nalprasi, Nepal. Bhumai is a small area, whole municipality. Sunawal, Nalprasi is whole district. Then Nepal is country. In the same way, the letter was written on 21st April 2015. Now, what she has written, let's read out. I got your letter yesterday. That means I received, Nima received Lakpa's letter yesterday. Thank you for telling me all about parents and yourself. See what he has written. Nima is thanking because Lakpa has written all about their parents, father, mother, and himself means, yourself means himself. Lakpa is about Lakpa, himself, and about parents. Those things has been written on the letter. I am doing well here in the and thinking of returning home during Losar. See, I am doing well here means Nima is doing well here. Here means in London. Nima is in London now. She is doing very good there. And since thinking of returning home during Losar. During Losar. Khai mo nyola puse 15 khai mo Losara. Oh, khai mo Losara. Have you heard this song? Puse 15, New Year, Losar, that is New Year for Gurung community. In the same way, in that season, in that period, during that Losar, Nima is planning to come back to Nepal, her home country. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm excited to know that you want to improve your English. Nima is very much happy, very much excited because she knew that Lakpa wants to improve his English. Lakpa's English is not so good now because it is not our mother tongue. This is not our common language. So she is he is poor. Lakpa is poor in English, but he wants to improve, make better his English. That's why Nima is excited. Yeah, that means very much happy. I think you are very conscious about the importance of English as an international language. That means, I think means Nima thinks that you are very much conscious. Means Lakpa is very much conscious. Yeah, he is responsible now. He is gentle. He has been gentle. He has ideas. This is good. This is bad. He is very much aware. This is the important thing. He is very much aware about the importance. That means value of English language, because it is an international language. See, Gurung is local language. Tharu language is local language. Magar language is local language. Kisawan mawa, sanchaile, kaisan bada. These are local languages. Now Nepali is national language. It is spoken here in our country. Then English is spoken all over the world. In UK, Europe, in America, even in Africa, in China, Australia, Japan, India, Nepal, wherever you go, people speak English language there. That's why it is international language. Now, as you have asked me, I am giving you some suggestions on how you can have better performance in the English language, both verbally and in the written form. Means Lakpa has asked Nima the ideas how to improve English, how to be excellent, perfect, how to speak fluently, how to write very practically, grammatically, without flaws. He has written what are the ideas how to improve the English language. So, she is writing some suggestions for the better performance. Performance means presentation. I am speaking, this is presentation. Singing, that is presentation. You are walking in the field, you are playing, you are singing, dancing, that is your presentation. Cooking, that is presentation. That is performance. How to improve your performance in English language, both verbally, that is verbally, spoken form, then written form. I am speaking, this is verbal, and I have typed here, this is written form. Both verbally and how to improve, how to make better performance in English, both verbally and written form. She has given some examples. See, you should always try to communicate in English with your teacher, English teacher and friends. You should always try to communicate in English with your English teacher and friends. This is one idea. If you talk to friends, talk to teachers in English language, then you can improve your English, because it becomes easy language for you. Today you used, it repeats again and again, then it becomes normal for you. For that you should try, should speak, should communicate, should use, should read, should write in English with your teachers and with your friends. One idea. Another second suggestion is listening to the radio programs in English could be an interesting way. See, we are presenting this program through Radio Sandesh from Bhumai. You should listening the Radio Sandesh programs throughout the day from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. You can listen to the radio programs. It could be an interesting way, listening to the radio programs. One. The next one, why don't you buy radio for yourself and listen to such programs? Why don't you buy a radio? You should buy a radio yourself. Go to Bhumai, go to Sunol, go to Parasi, wherever is it available. It's not so much costly. So why don't you buy a radio? That means buy a radio and listen to such programs, English programs, which are presented in English language. This is another. For better pronunciation, I am talking. My father is running. What is your name? This is wrong pronunciation. For real, original, authentic, better pronunciation, copying could be effective. Listen to the radio program, especially from the native speakers, original speakers, or who can speak fluently in English, whose pronunciation is better. Copy them. Copy. See, innovation, presentation, calculation, education, supporting, presenting, developing, creating. Copy them and use it. That is another way. Up to here, you should try to communicate, means talk. You should talk in English. 1. Second, listen to the radio. Buy a radio. 4th one is copy the people who speak English language. These are different ways. Another, as you listen to any new word, that means if you listen to new word, you ought to repeat it. Suppose coronavirus, have you heard this? Sanitizer, have you heard this? Never. I think isolation, quarantine, these words are new for you. Repeat it. Sanitizer, 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 sanitizer. Quarantine, quarantine, quarantine. Coronavirus, coronavirus, coronavirus. Isolation, 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 isolation. Repeat it for longer time, for many times, several times. Then it becomes very easier for you. You can remember. As you repeat the songs, you can repeat the words. Means, or you ought to repeat new words. Next one, using an English. Using an English dictionary is another effective way to learn the language. See, using an English dictionary. Do you have English dictionary? If you have, using English dictionary, maybe Oxford English Dictionary, Webster's Merriam's English Dictionary, Cambridge English Dictionary, so many dictionaries are there. English into English, English into Nepali, Nepali into English, so many dictionaries are available. Now, in your mobile phone, talk to your mother, talk to your father. On mobile phone, you can download, you can install through Play Store free of cost. So many dictionaries are available. You can download or install, then you can use that dictionary adequately. Then you can improve your English. Another, you had better buy a good English dictionary and use it. You had better buy new English dictionary. It is not necessary to buy this much high volume. Install, click, go to Play Store, search English dictionary, then click install. Wait for downloading, installing. It is ready. You can check the dictionary, new words, then from there you can improve your English. Here you ought to repeat using dictionary. Another, buy good dictionary. These are another one. Let's repeat. Communicate in English, listen to the radio, buy a radio, copy the pronunciation. Next one, repeat the new words, use dictionary, buy dictionary. See the structure. Here you should always try to communicate. Listening to the radio. Why don't you buy a radio? Copying people could be effective. you ought to repeat it. See the highlighted red ones. Using English dictionary is effective. You had better buy a good English dictionary and use it. In this way, you can improve your English. See, you know, my English was not that good when I was in Nepal. When I was in Nepal, at that time my English was not good. See, at home, no English environment. In school, there is no English environment. With the friends, in the family, in neighborhood, there is no English environment. That's why it was very difficult and my English was very poor. But now, I feel great. I have to speak it all the time. I have to speak all the time because in the UK, everyone speaks English. This is their mother tongue. This is their national language. That's why everyone is speaking English. I also have to speak English all the time. So, my English is great now. I picked up the pronunciation and expressions one by one. I understood, I received the proper pronunciation. Not water, not father. I got the real pronunciation and expression, their meaning. What is their meaning? I got it. I understood it. One by one. Now another suggestion. See, these are her practices. How about talking to the foreign tourists who come to visit our area? Unfortunately, we are in the problem of lockdown. Otherwise, we have arranged Visit Nepal 2020 program for this year. If they would come again in the future, they would come. At that time, how about talking to the tourist? How about talking to the tourist in English? Then foreign tourists speak English language. So if you talk to them in English, then it would be easier for you. Now they will be happy to know about your village and its beauty. From a student, and you would benefit with the new words, English words and expressions. See, and when you talk to the tourist, at that time, they would be very much happy if a student tells about their village and beauty, because what the students tell, that is reality. So they would be happy and you would get new words. That's why it would be plus point for you. It would help you. It is benefit for you, and you would get the new words one. Another, you would understand the expression means what is their meaning. You will easily get the meaning. I have heard that the education related offices in Nepal, like Ministry of Education, CDC, Curriculum Development Center, and so many INGOs are there working for education sector. So they are developing and distributing different audio visual materials on learning English. So see that education related offices, the offices which are working for education sector, they are developing, they are creating, preparing, making and distributing, that means giving, providing, selling, etc. different types of audio then visual programs. Audio then visual programs. You can listen to the programs, you can watch to the programs. So audio video materials are prepared and distributing, so you can use that. See, if I were you, then I would talk to the teachers about them too. This is another suggestion. See, if I were you, I talk to the teachers about them too. See, means talk to your teachers. These materials means these audio visual materials prepared by education offices, I guess, must have been developed considering the average performance level of the Nepalese students. Okay, those materials, they are, I guess, they had made such materials considering means thinking the average performance level, not very high, not very low. Some of you are A plus degree holders, that grade holders. Some of you are E grade holders. They are planning average. They are thinking about the average students, then making such things. That means, wouldn't it be better for you? Wouldn't it be better if you got some of them for your practice? This is another suggestion. See, by Nima to Lakpa, sister is suggesting younger brother. See, wouldn't it be better if some of you, if you bought some of the and for your practice, means buy some audiovisual materials prepared by education related offices and use it. This is another. See, going through your letter, I can understand that you have a lot of knowledge on the importance of the English language. See, going through the language, I have written very much in this letter. While you are going through that letter, I think that I understand that you received the ideas, the value of English language. Why is it important? I'd like to add here that as a lingua franca, English has much more significance than what you have written. Okay, you have written so many advantages of importance of English language. Not only that you have written, this has been lingua franca. Lingua franca, LINGUAFRANCA, lingua franca. This means common language, useful language. This is popular language. See, Kisawan Moa, Gurung language, not Nepali. Kaisan Baho, Tor Hal Khabari, that Tharu language. Ile Banjina ko Al Khabar, Magar language. But Sanchai Hununcha Hazur, that is Nepali language. Nepali language is common language for Nepalese. This is lingua franca for us. For all, there are 125 different castes. They speak different languages, but Nepali has been lingua franca, common language for Nepalese. In the same way, the whole wide scenario, if you think about the whole world, English is spoken everywhere, in Nepal, in India, in Europe, in America, in Africa. Wherever you go, everyone speaks English. It is the popular language, common language, simple language. So, this is lingua franca. It has much more significance. That means importance, value. You know, people can have understanding and respect, understanding each other, love and respect each other, only when they are able to communicate, since the English language has been serving as an effective tool for communication worldwide. It helps the people of different nationalities to understand each other's culture, values and sentiment. Okay, see, if you talk in English, if you talk to each other in English, you can get the worldwide knowledge. You can talk to the people of the different countries. Nationalities means people of different countries like Nepalese, Indian, American, like this, and who then we can have each other's feelings, understand and respect. Culture, the values, then sentiments. Culture, lifestyle. Values means what they feel, thinking, expect. Then sentiments means feelings. We can understand and we can respect, love each other. This way, it is very powerful language. It promotes fraternity, unity, brotherhood. Then results, individuals, good relationship among individuals, societies, communities, because it has different types of useful things. Okay, she has given so many things, and when as I come home, I'll bring you some audio visual materials. How native speakers come. Then Nima is planning to come to Losar, to Nepal in Losar. So she will bring some native speakers audio visual materials. That means the Europeans, English speakers original sound. Okay, looking forward means waiting for your next letter. Best regards, Nima. This is the letter. Now you have to find out the suggestion what Nima has given to her. Okay, I want to wrap up today's class. I think how much you enjoyed or not. I think you enjoyed somehow. You can watch the live video through Radio Sandesh again and again. Thanks for listening to Radio Sandesh. I would like to conclude my lesson. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good day. Good day. Good day. Have a nice day. Have a nice dream. Stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.
तपाईं अहिले सुन्दै हुनुहुन्छ रेडियो सन्देश, सबैभन्दा पृथक, सबैभन्दा बेस्ट 89.8 मेगाहर्ज।